Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a mirror. See what we get inside. Whoops. Okay, so this is the contents. The parcel was delivered by Parcel Force 24 hours. There was no damage to the box. It was marked fragile, as you can see. The contents in the box seem well packaged, nice and secure. So let's see what we get in the box. As standard, you get the instructions, this part here is the base of the mirror. The mirror will get secured by screws in them holes. Just remove that. Okay, comes standard with mains adapter. So that there will plug into the back of the mirror. So it's mains powered. That's the length of the cable. This mirror comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bulbs. Screw in. So they'll just go into the unit like so, just screw it in there. The bulbs are replaceable, so no need to worry about batteries running out or not being able to change your bulbs once they burn out. So that is fantastic. So bulbs are all packaged down the side. Mirror itself is secured well to protect it from any damage during transportation. So yeah, that's all you get in the box. Your power supply, your bulbs and your mirror. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.